From the dusty backroads of early 20th century America to today's digitally connected highways, the story of Chevrolet trucks is really the story of how the nation itself has changed, adapted, and pushed forward in pursuit of something better. In the early 1910s and 1920s, Chevrolet's earliest trucks were nothing more than basic chassis and cab workhorses, built for farmers, haulers, and small businesses that needed dependable muscle more than creature comforts. According to historical accounts from General Motors archives, those trucks prioritized durability above everything else: wooden cargo beds, simple inline engines, and minimal protection from the elements. Yet even then, Chevrolet had the spark of ambition that would ultimately transform its trucks into some of the most advanced machines on American roads. Through the 1930s and 1940s, when the Great Depression and World War II reshaped the nation, Chevy trucks became sturdier, more reliable, and more widely used. Wartime production introduced innovations in steel strength, engine endurance, and standardized parts, which later trickled into civilian models. This era deeply cemented the idea that a Chevrolet truck wasn't just a tool, it was a partner in survival and rebuilding. As America entered the 1950s, the picture began to change. Suburbs expanded, highways spread like arteries across the country, and families wanted a vehicle that could haul lumber on Saturday and take the kids to the drive-in on Sunday. Chevrolet responded with the Advanced Design and Task Force series, introducing smoother body lines, stronger engines, and more comfortable interiors. These trucks signaled something new: utility could finally coexist with style. Enthusiasts today often point out that this was the era when Chevrolet trucks started to develop their American identity: rugged yet approachable, capable yet comfortable, practical yet proud. By the 1960s and 1970s, the C/K series pushed the transformation even further, delivering innovations like independent front suspension, more refined cabins, and increasingly powerful V8 engines. These trucks were designed not only for work but for everyday life, appealing to contractors, families, and adventurers alike. Period advertisements emphasized versatility, suggesting that a Chevrolet truck could be everything to everyone. And for many, it was. When America found itself navigating the energy crises of the 1970s, Chevrolet, like all automakers, had to rethink performance, efficiency, and value. Yet the C/K trucks remained steady sellers, largely because buyers trusted their reliability and appreciated their evolving blend of power